This video explains how to generate a random sample of dates and times using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and as a first step of this example we need to create a sequence of dates and times, as you can see in lines 2 to 4 of the code. And in this case I'm creating a sequence from the 1st of January 2020 to the 1st of January 2030 with an interval of 10 minutes. So after running lines 2 to 4 of the code, a new data object called datetime sequence is appearing at the top right of RStudio, and we can print the first 6 elements of this data object by using the head function, as you can see in line 5 of the code. And then you can see that our datetime sequence starts at the 1st of January 2020 at 0 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. And then the second element of our vector is the 1st of January 2020 at 10 minutes. So if we want to generate a random sample of dates and times based on this vector object, it makes a lot of sense to first set a random seed for reproducibility, and we can do that as you can see in line 7 of the code. And then in the next step we can use the sample function, and within this function we need to specify the name of our sequence of dates. So in this case this sequence of dates is called datetime sequence. Then we need to specify a sample size, so in this case I want to generate a random sample consisting of 500 elements. And in this case I also want to sample with replacement, and for that reason I'm specifying the replace argument to be equal to true. And then I'm storing the output of the sample function in a new data object that I'm calling datetime random. So after running lines 9 to 11 of the code, a new data object called datetime random is appearing at the top right, and we can print the first 6 elements of this new data object by running line 12 of the code. And then you can see that we have sampled several random dates and times from our input sequence. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.